All right, here's the steps for using Scrub It. It's real simple. Step number 1, hold down your foot pedal and fill your bowl halfway with water. Now, you're gonna take your bottle of Scrub It. You can see on the inside of the lid, there's a squirt tip inside here. So go ahead and take your lid off, and now you're gonna squirt a liberal amount all over the bowl. You really wanna get it nice and soaked. Now, you're gonna take your silicone RV toilet brush, and you're gonna start scrubbing around. So scrub, clean, do whatever you need to do to get whatever stains are on the bowl off the bowl. Make sure you get down into the valve and gasket as well. Now, just leave it in your toilet until you're ready to use the bathroom. Might be a few minutes, might be a few hours. Water sitting inside there with Scrub It isn't gonna harm anything. In fact, it's just gonna kind of keep cleaning. It's also going to allow the bacteria to start multiplying inside there. So just let it sit here till you use the bathroom and you're basically done. All right, here's the steps on how to use Scrub It if you have hard water stains or just some difficult stains that are sitting around inside your bowl. Step 1, go ahead and fill your bowl halfway up with water, or at least to the level to cover those stains you're trying to get rid of. Step 2, take the lid off of your Scrub It. You can see inside there's a squirt tip. So go ahead and Scrub It all over the bowl. Get real liberal with it. Make sure you cover it very well. Now, take your silicone tipped RV toilet brush and scrub. Try and get as much of the stains and hard water stains off as you possibly can. Next, you're gonna let this sit. The idea here is by letting it sit, we're gonna let it all kind of stay underwater, which will soften things, but also gives the bacteria and enzymes a chance to kind of do their best to chew through any kind of hard stains that might be left behind. Now keep in mind, some stains just can't come out, but we're gonna do our best, and to do that, we're gonna let it sit overnight. So let it sit overnight, we'll come back in the morning. All right, so now that's been sitting overnight, let's go ahead and give another quick scrub with our brush. Hopefully we start to see a few more things start to kind of loosen up and come off. And that's it. We're gonna let it sit inside the toilet until we use the bathroom next. You don't need to flush it right now, just let it sit there. But next time you use the toilet, you're gonna go ahead and flush it, run enough water so it rinses all down into the tank, and you're all good to go.